All right, WMC, this is the video to find our 5 mini winners for the higher end winner's choice. So we'll check the time November 9th at 7:14 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. We have, come on, there it is, November 9th at 7:14 p.m. There is the list of our 76 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 5 after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Looking for the top 5. It is Adam, Steve, Adam, Jason, and Matt. So Adam, you'll have first pick, Steve second, Adam third, and so on. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, November 9th, 7:15 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.